finished.
Almost finished.
Yes, sir.
Why almost finished? You don't have any excuse now. You are at home. You
Yes.
have enough. You had enough time to do it. So why is it that you are not done with it?
That's all.
Please share your screen and show me what you've done so far.
Okay, sir. Come, sir. What have I done so far, sir? Yeah, because I'm about to finish.
The note that I gave you, have you copied that one even into your book?
Yes, I have. I have that.
So why did you now neglect doing your homework? Please try and fix those places that are showing red wavy line.
Yes, sir.
If you look at what I sent to you, you have age on the left, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. But on that one, you only have age on one side.
Yes.
Okay.
How to go check it?
There are still some errors, so you need to fix it. So look at your code. Where are the errors showing up? Now look at that if statement. After the condition of the if statement, remember there's no semicolon. No, don't join it. They're separate. You don't need to move them together. So that semicolon at the end of the if where you have no, the if statement, just the if statement.
Oh, yeah, one go.
Yes. You still gotta remove the first one. No? Yes. So it's okay now. All right. So let's see. I think you are ready. You can test it now. So now you know what we're expecting in this code, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and test it. Okay, so that's the first one. So the first one, you entered 10, and it says you must be what?
A
child. No, you entered 5, right?
Another 10. Wait.
10.
Wait,
So why is 10 you must be a toddler?
Wait, thank you.
Your code, because you've messed up something. You've messed up something. 10 cannot be toddler. Go and check your code.
Sir.
Okay.
Enough, stop shouting. Sir, please, I'm coming. Let me tell them to keep quiet. They're shouting.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. I'm Max, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So can you see
Okay.
where the error is in your code? Perfect. Okay. Test it again. Let's see.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Why did you put
Yeah, sorry. I
Let's
thought
see.
that was on. I thought that was on alert.
Okay, no.
10. You must be a preteen.
Perfect. That's what it's supposed to show. Well done. That one has worked. Okay. All right. You want to test another age?
Can I test adults?
Yes, you can test adults.
21. You can vote. You must be an adult.
Okay. So
Wait, sir.
okay, so
Sir.
yes.
Can
Yes.
we change the must into you? You are an adult. You are an adult.
Yeah, okay, yes, go ahead and change it.
And just leave it. Yes.
Yeah, you don't want to change it again.
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what I wanted to ask, when you read the note, did you understand it?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
Okay. So the note is just basically explaining what this code has done. Okay. Especially that place where you have the condition. Now I know that you if you look at the first code, the one for voting, that one that says if age is greater than or equals to 18, you will notice that it looks simpler, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It looks simpler. Why? Because it's just one condition. So sometimes when we want to do our coding, we need to combine more than one condition. Okay. So when
Yes,
you want to do that, that's where you use this. You see that symbol and the one that you would have called and you use it twice. Please take note. It is twice that you are using it, and they must be together. Okay. So
yes.
what that is saying is that the two conditions must be met for the whole condition to be true. Okay. So for instance, now, let's see that first one. That one that says you must be a toddler. Age is only value between 1 and 3 inclusive. That means the baby can be 1 year old or 2 years old or 3 years old. That's the toddler, right? So any number in that range is what will meet that category for toddler. So what it now means is that if somebody says age, for instance, is 2, you will notice that 2 is greater than 1, and at the same time 2 is less than 3.
Less than
Do you
3.
get?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you have a range, that's things that are happening, and maybe the value that you're looking for may be within a range. This is a perfect way to code for it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the next thing we're going to look at now is for a situation where it's not in a range. So let me give an example. So somebody can say, okay, there is a particular game, or there's a particular benefit that people who are less than 2 years old and people who are greater than 80 years, who are greater than 18 years old can enjoy.
18.
Can you see that?
18.
Yes, 18. So less than 2, greater than 18. Is that a range?
Yes, sir.
Is that a range? Check it though. Less than 2. That means 2, 1, 0, baby. Eh?
Yes,
Then
sir.
greater than 18. That means 18, 19,
Sir,
20,
I'm
and
greater
above.
than his what?
Eh?
I'm greater than his what?
Greater than 18. Greater than 18.
Sir, can I get a drink?
What?
Can I get a drink?
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Back, sir.
Okay, I hope the drink is not near your computer.
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. All right. So I was saying that let's consider this scenario where we said something, there's a benefit for those who are less than 2. Okay, let's just say less than 5 years old. And at the same time, that benefit can also be for anybody who is greater than 18 years old. So when you have that kind of scenario, what do you do? It can definitely not be earned. Why can it not be earned? Somebody cannot be less than 5 and at the same time greater than 18. Is it possible? Is it possible?
Sir. No, sir.
Eh? It's not possible. So because that is not a possibility, we have another way of doing situations like that. Okay, so um, let's see um, let's see how to go about that. So that's what I want us to do in today's class. We'll just look at that kind of scenario. So let's come up with um, what do you want to make the title? Okay, you're calling it voting. Why not let's call it, was it not dealing with if statement?
Yes, sir. But I'm not making it the title.
Okay, all right, no problem. It's fine. Okay, so let's pretend that let's come up with a scenario. Okay, let's say that Santa Claus is giving gifts to people who are 5 and below, whose ages are 5 and below.
Yes, sir.
Or did you notice what I said? Or whose ages lie whose ages are greater than 18. So did you notice I didn't say
Sir?
and?
Sir?
Did you notice I didn't say and?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't say and because it's
Yes,
not
sir.
possible that you will find someone that is in that range, in both ranges. So less than 5 or greater than 18. How do we go about it? So that's what I want to show you now. So
Thank you, sir.
that you can copy. Let's see. Okay, so let's copy that code for voting. Copy the if statement for voting all the way to the closing brace for the else.
Sir?
Is that one supposed to sit down for that class?
Can you hear me?
Nothing to do at all.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oh, yes, stand up. Come and sit down on the
But, sir, sorry, sir.
Are you good now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I said copy the code starting from the if statement, the if part. for voting.
What do I have error?
I don't know. What did you go and touch? What did you touch? Just be pressing on Control Z till it goes back to what it was.
Okay.
All right. So I said copy the code for voting. That's that place where it says if age greater than or equals yes. Yes, copy from there. Yes, just there. Thank you. No, only for voting now.
Okay.
It's not everything. Thank you. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So let's go under this one for toddler, blah blah blah. Under that one, and we'll paste. No, all the way down to the last one. Yes. All the way to the last. After the closing brace. After the closing brace. After the closing brace. Yes. Hit enter. Hit enter. Now you can paste. Okay. Good. So now that place where you have age greater than or equals to 18, I'll send you what you type now. Just hold on. I'll send it to you.
Hey, WhatsApp.
No,
in
Zoom now. In the chat. On Zoom.
I'm downstairs. Sit down. I'm downstairs.
What? Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you seen what I sent? Hello, Simeon. Are you there?
Sir, yes, I see it.
Okay. Go ahead. So go ahead and change that. What is in the condition there to that?
What is in the where?
Where you have age greater than or equals to 18.
Okay.
Yes. Now that symbol, let me show you where to get that symbol. Can you see your enter key?
Good. But I think I've seen it.
You've seen it, good. But I want you to put some space between 5 and the first one.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Yes. Okay.
But I think someone is crying. I'm coming.
What?
I hear someone crying downstairs.
You don't need to go now. Is there nobody with them?
I can't hear you.
I said, isn't there anybody with them? You don't need to go to start catering to them.
Okay, sir.
All right. So that place that it says you can vote.
Yes, ma'am.
You will say Santa has a gift for you. Okay, that's good. Then the place that says you cannot vote, you say, sorry, try again next year.
Please, sir, do I need my writing materials?
Do you need what?
My writing materials.
For now?
No,
Okay.
for this lesson.
No, I will send you something via WhatsApp to add to the note.
Okay.
Okay. So, are you ready to test it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and test it.
Okay.
Yes. So try another one. Try another number. Just refresh. Refresh. You don't need to come back to Visual Studio. Always just refresh. Okay. So, do you understand what's happening now? Okay. So in a scenario again, like I said, that operator that you put there is called the OR operator. Okay. The one that was for toddler and adult and all that. That one is the AND operator, AND, while this one is the OR operator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you use the AND when it's a range. You use the OR when the range is different and they are kind of like separate. Like you can't find anybody that's less than 5 years old and at the same time the person is greater than 18. It's not possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you have that kind of scenario, then you use the OR operator. Okay. So do you have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So since we still have some time on this class, let me see if I can send you. Okay, you want to try another one?
Okay.
Do you want to try another one? I saw you trying to run the code again.
Oh, yes. I want to try 1 year old.
Oh, yeah, now go ahead.
Okay. Is this a something I will give for you?
You say what?
Is that something has a gift for you?
What did you enter as the age? What did you enter as age?
1 year old.
1. Now because you said less than 5, remember, either less than 5 or greater than 18.
Yes, I know.
So now look at you. So you see that thing about that or. The or part is saying that whether if any of them can be true, but both of them cannot be true at the same time. It's not possible. Okay. So either the person can be less than 5, like in this case that you entered 1, or the person can be greater than 18. Maybe you entered something bigger than 18. It will still work. Do you get? But because you see all those ones in between, 5 years old, 6 years old, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, even 18 itself, because we said greater than 18. 18 itself is included. All those people that have that age in between, nothing for them. They are the ones that who the code will tell, try again next year.
Yes,
Sorry, try again next year. Okay. So so when something is outside a particular range, you get the OR is the best operator to use. So you always need to know which one to use at which time. And it's easy to know. Just ask yourself, is it possible that somebody can be between that age? If it's not possible, then OR is your best bet. But if it is possible, then AND is your best bet. Okay. So you can go ahead and get your notes. I'll send you something in the chat now.
Yes, sir.
Simeon, are you with your book now?
Sir?
Are you with your book now?
Yes, I'm it.
Okay, okay, all right. But also, hold on, I'm sending you something now. But I think I'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir? Sir?
I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Just hold on.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Okay, Simeon,
I
I'm
see
done.
it, sir.
Okay. Are you almost done?
I just go to if age.
Okay. All right.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, um, One more question I want to ask. If you look at the code that we've done today, okay,
Yes, sir.
did you notice something? The last set, okay, let's look at that one for toddler. It starts with if age is greater than or equals to 1 and age is less than or equals to 3. It says do something, right? Then after that, you have an else if. Okay, and then that one takes care of between 4 and 9. Another else if takes care of between 10 and what? 12.
Go
Then the next one is another else if that takes care between what?
on. 13 and 17.
Exactly. Now, did you notice that
The other
the
one is
last one?
only else.
Yes, only else. Did you
Yes, I
wonder
did.
why? Did you
Yes,
wonder
I
why?
did. Yes, I did.
Okay. So the reason is because 18 and above is the last range, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So because it's like I don't know if you agree with me, but it's like you telling somebody, my name is Simeon, I am a boy, or I am male. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? When you tell somebody my name is Simeon, in the person's mind is already thinking, even if it's not seeing your face. Do you get? Maybe from your voice, even from your voice, the person can tell. Yeah, you definitely be a boy. Let's say you are sending a chat to somebody and you say, my name is Simeon. I mean, I've never heard of any girl bearing the name Simeon or any female bearing the name Simeon. So what I'm trying to say is that when somebody sees Simeon, the person understands immediately that it must be a male. It cannot be a female. So when you see else in this kind of scenario now, the meaning of else just means here that whatever is left is taken care of by that else. So all the other ranges took care of themselves, the different ranges. Then the else will take care of what is left. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Simeon, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand my explanation?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
You understood my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I didn't hear your voice for a while. What happened?
Nothing happened. I'm here. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Are you
Sir?
sure you're not distracted?
No, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay.
I can turn my camera
Yes.
on.
I'm not asking you to turn your camera on. I'm just asking, did you understand my explanation?
Yes, I did.
Okay, can
Hello?
you repeat it? Can you repeat what I said?
Hello, sir.
Can you repeat what I said about what else
I can't hear you.
is there? You can't hear me. You still can't hear me.
Hello, sir. Can you hear
You
me?
still can't hear me.
Okay, I
Huh?
can hear you now. I
Yes,
don't
I
hear
said you
your
should.
explanation.
You did not do what?
I can't hear your. I couldn't hear your explanation.
And you didn't say anything. You waited for me to finish explaining before you now told me that you couldn't hear my explanation. Is
Hello,
it fair?
sir.
You
Hello,
just
sir.
waited for me. I was just talking. You didn't say anything.
Oh, sorry, sir.
I'll send you the explanation in the chat box. Please just look at it.
Yes, sir.
I want you to
Yes, sir.
read that out. Read it out and make sense out of it. See if it
The
makes sense.
the else part is the last part of the multiple if else statement, and it does not have the condition specified because JavaScript automatically knows that the last range is being cat read for B
Catered for
catered for
catered
B. What does that
by
mean,
that.
sir?
To cater for something means to take care of it, as in to make arrangements
Okay,
for it. Yes.
okay, sir.
The else, that last else takes care of the last range. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
there's no
sir.
need to start else if age is greater than 18, because we already know that the remaining is all the other ages are what? Greater than 18.
Greater
There's no
than
need to
18.
start. That's what I was explaining that time, and you said that you did not hear me. So do you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then one more thing before we call it a day for today's class. That else, can you look at the one, all the places, not multiple else. So the place where you have if age is greater than 18, greater than or equals to 18, alert, you can vote. Else,
Okay.
you cannot vote. That the else in that one does not need its own too. The same thing with that one. The reason why there's no need for that one, because that one is the direct opposite of what is in the condition, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So there's no need to start saying giving another condition again in brackets. We just know it's the direct opposite. Let me ask you this question. I want you to think about it before you answer. Don't just answer me. So if my condition was if age is greater than or equals to 18, what would be the opposite of age greater than or equals to 18? What's the opposite? What range would be that opposite? What will it be?
What would be the opposite?
Of age greater than or equals to 18. The condition in this one is saying age greater than or equals to 18. What is the opposite to that? What's the opposite mathematically?
Less than.
What's the opposite of greater than? Huh?
So can you just repeat it again?
What's the opposite of age greater than or equals to 18? What's the opposite of that?
Great. I mean age less than equals 18.
Are you sure about your answer? Are you sure about your answer? I'm just asking. You may be right, you may be wrong. But are you sure about your answer? I want you to be sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are technically wrong. And I will explain why. Because of you added that equals to. Do you see that?
So if I do
Yes,
not
the
ask the
pattern
equals
is
to be right.
yes, you'll be right. And do you know why? Because
Yes, sir.
equals to can only happen once. You cannot join equals to greater than and join equals to less than. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
I understand, sir. So you can only add it to greater than.
You can either take note of what I'm saying. No, you can either add it to greater than or you can add it to less than, but it cannot be for both of them at the same time.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
So just check this out. Listen to me. I didn't say you should change it. Don't go and change anything. If that condition you put there was if age is greater than 18, you didn't put greater than or equals to 18, then guess what? That else will be referring to age less than or equal to 18.
Sir.
Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I just wanted to explain. I think we have done justice to this if else. If there's any other thing that I need to say, I'll probably say it in another class, not today. But I think we have done justice to it. We have really spent time in this if else. So I'm going to send you something to do. Okay.
Okay.
Our next class should be on Thursday, right?
Yes, sir. What time do you want?
We'll still do the time we did today, 1 p.m.
Okay,
your
sir.
time.
Okay, sir.
So that will be the New Year. So Happy New Year in advance.
Yeah. Have a good New Year, sir.
Yes, you too. We'll have a good
Okay,
New Year
sir.
too. All right, take care. Greet Samson for me.
Sam says, sir. Bye bye.
All right, bye.